Hello and welcome back to Say Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this face toner with orange peel. Orange peel contains vitamin C and is very beneficial when it comes to the skin. It helps unclog pores and clear blackheads. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to peel it. After peeling, I'm going to cut into pieces and allow it to dry under the sun for 6 hours. So after 6 hours of drying it, here is my orange peel. Then I added distilled water over it, and with a cling film I'm going to cover and leave it for another 8 hours to allow the vitamin C in the orange peel to infuse in my distilled water. You can also use rose water for this. So at this point, what I'm going to do with a strainer, I'm going to strain the liquid from the orange peel, which will serve as a toner. But you can also go the extra mile by blending it, which I did in this video. So guys, at this point, it's your choice whether to use the water you strained first or you're going to blend. So guys, after straining my orange peel juice, here's the chaff I got from it. I'll be making a face scrub with this, and here is the liquid I got from it. So the next thing I'm going to do at this point is to pour it with a funnel into my sanitized container. And how do I apply this? With a clean cotton wool or a paper towel, I'm going to damp it. Just take a little with my towel and clean my face with it very well. You can pour it in a spray bottle or in a dropper. Then after putting it on my face, then I clean my face with it before I apply a moisturizer. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and comment below. See you in my next video. Bye.